blessed to announce the imminent arrival of the Right Honorable Speaker with due respect. I shall now escort the Right Honorable Speaker. Thank you.
A very warm greetings to everyone present here. It is an absolute honor to stand before you in this youth parliament. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude towards Kathmandu Metropolitan City for organizing this grand youth fest. For young progressive mind like us to participate in wide range of programs for developing our external personality beside our academic qualifications. I also would like to express my sincere appreciation to Learning Realm International School and the entire management team for providing us with this incredible platform. It's a matter of proudness that our school has always been a place of excellence, nurturing young minds not only in academics but also in leadership, innovation and civic responsibility for entire 37 years. Honorable members, I call this house to order as we begin today's proceeding. Let us approach our deliberation with respect, diligence and our decisions, and may our debates be constructive, our decisions be just, and our actions reflect the trust placed in us. Honorable Prime Minister, please introduce the Cabinet of Ministers of this Parliament.
Thank you, Right Honourable Speaker. First of all, a very warm good afternoon to everyone present here. I am David Jaisi, the Prime Minister and Minister of Culture, Tourism and Civil Aviation of this LRS Student Parliament. Heaven is myth, Nepal is real. We are truly lucky to born in this majestic nation, but lately our motherland has been facing some crucial obstacles. Today, our government is going to be hearing and answering the thoughts of people through their representatives, or should I say the esteemed member of the parliaments. The data and statistics presented by our ministers are referenced from verified governmental and non-governmental sources. So now let's get introduced to our honorable ministers.
Namaste everyone, I am Utkrishta Sitala, a student of grade 10 of LRS School, and I will be representing the Health Minister in today's Parliament.
Youths are not only the future of their family, but they are the future of their nation. And today I, Krisapon, the student of grade 10, will be representing the Ministry of Youth and Sports. Thank you.
Namaste everyone, I am Aditya Saraswati, representing the Ministry of Forest and Environment in this Parliament.
Namaste everyone, I am Vidhan Vikram Thapa, representing the Ministry of Foreign Affairs.
Namaste everyone, me myself Samriddhi Lekhak, serving as the Finance Minister.
Namaste everyone, I am Grishma Kaur, honored to serve as the Defense Minister. Law and order are the foundations of a great nation, and today I stand as their voice. Namaste and Jojolapa, this is Shrena Shrestha representing the Ministry of Home Affairs.
Namaste everyone, I am Deepisa Thapa and I am representing the Ministry of Women, Children and Senior Citizens.
Namaste everyone, my name is R.D. Rajpant and I am representing the Ministry of Education.
Namaste everyone, I am Yuna Achari and I am representing the Ministry of Labour, Employment and Social Security.
Namaste everyone, I am Nissan Pokhrid representing the Ministry of Energy, Water Resources and Irrigation.
Namaste everyone, I'm Nilay Risal and I'll be representing the Information and Technology Ministry.
Namaste everyone, it's me Satish Regmi, serving as Minister of Physical Infrastructure and Transportation.
Namaste everyone, I am Arus Vasis, serving as the Minister of Agriculture and Livestock Development.
Namaste everyone, I am Krish Raj Nepal, a student of grade 10 and I am representing the Ministry of Law, Justice and Parliamentary Affairs. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Ministers. Now, Honorable Leader of Opposition, please introduce the opposition MPs.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker. With this, greetings everyone. I am Subeksha Khanal, a student of grade 10F, today representing myself as the Leader of Opposition. Honorable members of this Parliament, as well as all the distinguished diplomats, I hereby would like to seize this opportunity to underline that all the questions which will be asked by this opposition in today's session are all meticulously researched, profoundly valid, and are grounded with the real issues that my beloved nation Nepal faces today. Now I'd like to pass on to the other members of this Parliament to introduce themselves with their very own identity. Please.
Namaste everyone, it's me Divya Redmi, a member of LRS Student Parliament.
Namaste everyone, this is Pisa Pant from grade 10, a member of LRS Student Parliament.